Welcome back! Today I tackle Daniel Pratt and his Earth is a Treadmill theory. But first, the too cool for school comment from the last video. And the top comment from last video comes from Das Dude, and it reads, "You team, double space, no skeptic, and double space, fight the flat earth are lying fools, period, comma. You guys have no for the globe, period, double space. You guys love proving you all have no evidence for the globe, period, comma, double space. The earth is flat, deal with you lying fool, comma, period, double space. You vid prove you deny reality and love only to lie. You are another pathetic lying globe cultist. You and Team Skeptic all have been debunked. Team Skeptic and you all have failed to debunk flat earth. The earth, double space, has already been proved to be flat, you lying fool." Thank you, Das Dude, for your comment. Okay, Daniel Pratt, take it away.
Okay, kids. We're going to debunk Earth's rotation one more time. But first, we have to get some mathematical facts out of the way. Because we know how our globagandist friends love to contort the truth.
Mathematical facts and truth from a globe denier? Okay.
Okay? So that means, globagandists, try to stay with me now. A 24,000 mile circumference clock would be the same size as the 24,000 mile circumference Earth. So, as this hour hand moves, it's 15 degrees per hour. In order to do that on a 24,000 mile circumference clock, this part of the hour hand would have to be moving at 1,000 miles per hour. Okay? This is mathematical fact, correct? Correct.
Yes, the Earth spins at 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. But 1,000 miles per hour looks like this. These are images taken over a span of 5 hours from the EPIC camera on the Discover satellite, which is sitting 1 million miles above the Earth between the Earth and the Sun.
Okay, so here is my very, very simple challenge to you, globe believers. All I am asking is the great minds of Flat Earth and globagandists, if you'd like to actually participate in some real science for once.
You mean like putting a rubber ball on a drill to simulate a 1,000 mile per hour spinning Earth? Or putting a flexible tube with water over a barbecue and claiming, look, there's no gravity, there's no column of water right in the middle. Those kind of sciences?
Why can we not just build a treadmill? Maybe 10 yards wide, 20 yards wide, whatever, okay? And we have it moving in this direction. We'll call that east. Okay? So the treadmill is moving in this direction at 10 miles per hour. Okay? And all I'm asking is have someone on that treadmill have 2 marks on the track of the treadmill here. Okay? And just time that person walking to this one, okay, and then turning around in the other direction, time it walking this way, and then have a point here on the track and a point here on the track, and I want you to time them walking this way to this point, and then we'll have one here and one here, or use the same one, and going north-south on a 10 mile per hour treadmill. And I want you to tell me that they don't feel any difference.
Any difference, huh? Wow, look at these guys go on the treadmill. They look like they're doing just fine to me.
Okay, so then they should have no problem doing it on a 10-mile-per-hour treadmill that just represents a moving ground. And don't tell me anything about get them on a truck, because that is not the ground moving. If you're walking on the bed of a truck, that bed is stationary and the wheels are moving. The wheels would be the treadmill.
Daniel, if you are sitting in the bed of a pickup truck and that truck is moving 30 miles an hour, so are you. That truck bed is not stationary.
If the earth is a globe and moving at 1,000 miles an hour, there will be no time differences, no significant time differences. It should be easy. And they should tell you, no, I didn't feel anything. I didn't feel anything. You ever tried to be on a treadmill at 10 miles an hour? Imagine trying to walk sideways across it. Good luck.
These treadmills are obviously not moving 10 miles an hour. But except for that little hiccup there, OK Go is going.
But it would be way too obvious that we are not on some spinning, whirling, twirling ball moving at thousands of miles an hour in so many different directions. It's absurd. Better yet, get a spinning treadmill, like a merry-go-round, going at 10 miles per hour, and have them walk from one side to the other with no balance problems. But we can walk at the equator when it's moving 1,000 miles per hour, again, every direction, no problem, north, south, east, west. Pretty sure people are walking all around by the equator.
How many times do we have to tell you, Daniel? Celestially, 1,000 miles per hour of Earth's spin is very, very slow. It's not like this rubber ball experiment you did.
But we live on 1,000 mile per hour spinning treadmill. Yeah. Okay. Oh no, it's 15 degrees per hour.
Okay, Daniel, playtime is over now. Time for your medicine. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
One small step